Welcome back to another episode of Nikki's Savory Vegan Eats. Now, in this episode, I am going to show you all how I make my version of an air-fried, Chicago-style pizza puff. That's right, you all. Air-fried. Not fried, but air-fried. Being born and raised in Chicago, Illinois, our pizza puffs is an all-time food staple, just like our deep dish pizza, as well as our Italian beef. So sit back and relax as I show you how I make my air-fried, Chicago-style pizza puff. I'll see y'all in at the taste test as always. All right, lovely. So here we go with the taste test. My air fried pizza puff, Chicago style, y'all. And I got a little barbecue mixture here. So it's like a little barbecue sauce, a little ketchup, as well as a little chipotle hot sauce, the Cholula side, the Cholula kind. So let me go ahead and just first eat this without the barbecue sauce. Hands down, y'all. This air fried Chicago style pizza puff definitely reminds me of home. Oh my gosh. As you can see, it's flaky. The flavor is there. Right in your mouth. Mmm. Mmm. Hmm. Mmm. 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 The spinach, the impossible meat, the tomato paste, the onion powder, garlic powder, the fennel seeds, y'all. Everything. I don't even taste the jalapenos because I actually diced them so finely. So in Chicago, we usually do this with mild sauce. And I think I actually ran out of ketchup, but y'all see this? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Mmm. Oh, my God. That gives even a more delicious kick. Look at that, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Still kind of hot. This is delicious. I can't even talk. I guess I'm going to actually finish this video out with y'all watching me eat. Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at that. Mmm. Mm-hmm. This was fun making this. Being from Chicago, every once in a while, I get that little nostalgia for some food, and until I can get home, I gotta sometimes know how to make it work and do what it do. If you feel like you're gonna make this, let me know. And if you like this video, please be sure to like, make a comment, and share this video. And thank you for everybody that's tuned in. I can't even think straight because I just want to eat this. I want to get off a video. I really do. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time visiting Nikki Savory Vegan Eats, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notifications button. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I can't concentrate, y'all. My eye contact, I'm losing eye contact on the camera. That means I need to finish eating. So I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all take care until the next episode. Bye. Mm.